Discovery of proton E. Goldstein's experiment 1886. E. Goldstein observed the presence of positively charged particles in atoms. Atoms are electrically neutral, having equal positive and negative charges. He used a gas discharge tube with a perforated cathode. New rays were observed moving from anode to cathode. These rays were called canal rays or anode rays. Properties of anode rays. The properties of anode rays varied with different gases used in the discharge tube. What Goldstein discovered were positively charged gas ions. This included hydrogen ions. Goldstein did not realize the full significance at the time. Rutherford's contribution, 1917. Rutherford performed experiments that confirmed the presence of the hydrogen nucleus in other nuclei. He proposed that the hydrogen nucleus, or proton, is a fundamental building block of all nuclei. Rutherford identified the proton as a new fundamental particle. Discovery of neutron and structure of atom. Neutron discovered in 1933. It carries no charge. Mass of a neutron is almost equal to that of a proton. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are called fundamental particles, present in all atoms except ordinary hydrogen, which lacks a neutron. Different atoms have different numbers of these particles. Discovery of nucleus. Rutherford's experiment, 1911. Rutherford directed a stream of particles at a very thin gold foil. Concluded that an atom has two portions, nucleus and extranuclear region. The nucleus is extremely small but contains more than 99.9% of atom's mass. Extranuclear region occupies most of the atom's volume. It was also discovered that all atomic mass is concentrated in the nucleus. Nucleus contains heavy particles, protons and neutrons. These particles are held together by a strong nuclear force. Nucleus is less than 1/100,000th the size of an atom. Properties of fundamental particles. Electron. Charge equals negative 1.602 2 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs. Mass equals 9.109 times 10 to the power of negative 31 kilograms. Proton. Charge equals plus 1.602 2 times 10 to the power of 0.622 coulombs, 10 to the minus 19 Celsius. Mass equals 1.673 times 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. Neutron. Charge equals 0.0. Mass equals 1.675 times 10 to the power of negative 27 kilograms. Bohr's atomic model proposed by Niels Bohr in 1913. Model explains hydrogen atom structure. Electron revolves around nucleus in specific paths called orbits or shells. Electron energy is fixed in each orbit. Closest orbit to nucleus have minimum energy, and this is called ground state. Orbits farther away have higher energy. Electron cannot exist between orbits. Energy levels and shells. Orbits also called energy levels or shells. First shell equals K shell, N equals 1 with fixed energy. Second shell equals L shell, N equals 2 with greater energy. Higher shells follow same pattern.